ᎤᎴ Ꭺ噚 ᎤᎴ Ꭺ噚 Ꭺ뾱 Asvga Uwawsvga Alsvsdiha from the Shalada corpus. 3 verbs for smell. There are 3 verbs for smell in Cherokee language. The first is intransitive, and it indicates a scent property of a thing. Asvga, he, she, or it smells. The other 2 are transitive. One indicates that a person inactively senses a smell emanating from a thing. Uwawsvga, she smells it. The other indicates that a person actively tries to gather scent information about a thing. Alsvsdiha, he is smelling or sniffing it. All 3 of these forms occur in a short 3-part conversation in the Shalada corpus. I'll play through the short conversation and then I will play each line separately.
Ꭺ噚Хައިލީ Ꭺ뾱 Ꭺ뾱 Ꭺݹ Ꭴᴏ 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 Agiwsvgo'i Galisvsdisgo'i 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 Ꭴᴏ 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 adiha Ꭴᴏ uhyvsdi Ꭴᴏ Uwawsvga ulsvsdi.
And now, line by line. A.
ᎪՁХައިލީ Ꭺ뾱 Ꭺ뾱
Where do you think I want to be this evening?
Ꭺძխაილი აკვატიული აკვაიტასტი
B.
Katsu
Where?
Katsu
A.
Utaulana Utatana Katauahi Ukanastanaula Tsumnastaiti
Beech nuts, truffles, and roots.
Utaulana Utatana Katauahi Ukanastanaula Tsumnastaiti Utlinikatati Shaulikuti Yititisha Tawashkatu Waloka
Pushing leaves aside with my strong nose.
Utlinikatati Shaulikuti Yititisha Tawashkatu Waloka Agiwsvgo'i Galisvsdisgo'i Galisvsdisgo'i Galisvsdisgo'i.
Searching and sniffing along the ground. Smelling, smelling, smelling. Here the A participant is actively smelling or sniffing for different kinds of smells in the environment.
Agiwsvgo'i Galisvsdisgo'i Galisvsdisgo'i Galisvsdisgo'i.
C.
Ꭴᴏ Ꭴᴏ adiha Ꭴᴏ uhyvsdi.
You smell just the way you are, remarked a lamb who had just walked in. The lamb C indicates that smell emanates from the A character.
Ꭴᴏ Ꭴᴏ adiha Ꭴᴏ uhyvsdi. Uwawsvga.
I can smell you from here. The lamb indicates the perception of smell.
Uwawsvga. ulsvsdi.
You're the smelliest creature in the place. The lamb again goes back to the smell emanating from the A character.
ulsvsdi.
Intransitive smell. Tsisvgo'i, he smells. Tsisvgo'i, I always smell. Uwawsvtsv'i, for it to smell. Gosdi, Uwawsvga, something smells bad, from Durban Feelings Dictionary. Transitive inactive smell. Uwawsvga, she smells it, without trying. Agiwsvgo'i, I smell it, often or all the time. ᎢᎴ you just smelled it. Uwawsvga'i, he smelled it some time ago. Uwawsvsdi, for her to smell it. Gohusdi, Uwawsvga adiha, he says he smells something strong, from the Durban Feeling Dictionary. Alsvsdiha, transitive active smell. Alsvsdiha, she is smelling it. Galisvsdisgo'i, I smell it. Halsvsda, smell it or sniff it. Ulsvstanv'i, she smelled it some time ago. Ulsvsdohdi, for her to smell it. Agiwsvgo'i, ᎢᏴ Ꭼန့Ꭺ, she likes to smell flowers, from the Durban Feeling Dictionary.